this album's based on a true story. You know what I mean? So this is just it's just how I was feeling. You dig? Hip hop is an emotion. Hip hop is a message. You know what I'm saying? And
Hip
it's just
hop
you
is
know what I mean.
everything.
Long as you put your heart, mind, body, and soul into it. That's why I don't hate on these young cats. You know what I'm saying with their music. You know because this is their craft and this is their form of expression. You know, however they choose to express it. I mean, it's not up to me. You know what I mean? That's their penmanship. That's how they feel. So now I don't hate on the youngins. You know what I mean? I try to always uplift and you know what I mean, empower. You know what I mean? But when you doing it from the heart and people can tell when it's real or when you just doing it for the public eye, just to gain followers and streams and all that. I like organic stuff and I want people to feel I mean exactly how I'm feeling while I'm writing. Many are called but only a few are chosen.
All right.